guys, today we will make a Volcano Eruption DIY Experiment. Calix place! We will be using this volcano device, this steering rod, this syringe, the cone, this cup, so you can have the water, and this one, the citric acid. It kind of looks like salt, and brown baking soda. Brown baking soda that kind of looks like orange, but orange mixed with brown. And the goggles for the eyes to be safe. Now let's start. I'll put of the baking soda. Baking soda. Okay, that's a lot. Ooh. There. And close it. Close it. Now this one that looks like sugar.
What do you call that, Calix? Citric acid.
Citric acid. Oh my.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's done.
And now you have to stir it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
That's
Mix it well.
satisfying. Looks like one of those rock candies where you put it in your mouth and you eat it and it pops in your mouth.
The popping candy.
Yeah, the rock candy. The rock one.
Okay, I think it's enough.
Okay.
And next?
Next, I'm going to get water.
Water.
Full cup. And just take it right here.
Okay.
And see what happens. Wow! Erupted!
Wow!
Wow! That's so cool. Ooh, cool. Ooh. Ooh. I want to touch it with this. Okay. That's it. Doesn't guys, the volcano is producing lava and it's like blood.
Do you think so?
No, it just I made it. Cool. We will make another one, guys. We'll do it again, guys. Guys, I'm going to do it again. So first, baking soda. Yummy. Second, this. This one. Oh my god, it's black. Whoa. I'm fine. Third. Second, mix. Oh my god. I'm going to remove all of the ones that are on the side. Oh my.
Enough now. It's okay now.
Okay. It's enough. There. Water. Oh my gosh. Oh no. And not enough. More. But there's a little bubble. And there it goes. Wow! Oh my gosh. So when you add the whole thing of it, a whole scoop of the cup of this and this, it's going to be a big one. That's what I did here. And I like what this is. So now guys, we'll make the volcano on a third try. So first, test the baking soda. And okay. Make sure and pour it. Now this one, the
Citric acid.
The citric acid. Make sure. Whoa. Now mix. Time to mix now. Oh, that's so many. Oh my. This. Okay, going to put the water now, mommy. Okay, now for the water. Give me. Whoa! It's a full one. 3, 2, 1, go! There, nice. Ah, that's so cool. There's a lot. There's a little bit over here. Let me help. Spreading it. Spread it. Whoa. This is how the dinosaurs were extinct. The volcano. Oh my gosh. That's it guys. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye. It's the fourth try guys. I'm going to get this phone. First, baking soda. Oh, full cup. Now, full cup. Full cup. Oh my. I got my used. Yeah. Oh my. Okay. Now this one. Full cup. No. That. Ooh. I can't even see the baking soda now because it covered all of the baking soda. And now it's time for mix time. Yeah. my body. No. No, no. Red. Oh no. Okay.
Next.
Next is the syringe and get more water. Next. Okay. I'm going to push it hard. Wow. Okay. I was not expecting that. Could explode big. Okay. Bigger than usual.
Can you put more water so that you can see the...
Okay.
Oh.
What? Wow! Ano naman? Ito. Okay.
Put more water.
Okay. No, not that. Oh! More water. And more water. Wow! That's so much. Whee!
I think that's enough.
Wow! Whoa! That was so cool, and the whole square is full. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Wow! I can suck up the lava. Oh, that's cool. Wow! I did not know that. I'm going to put the lava here and put it back. Okay, that's cool. I'm putting back the lava. Whoa! Erupting again. Wait, it's load. No. I can subscribe.